If I told you YouTube doesn't care about how many views you get, would you believe me? Because here's the thing most creators don't realize. YouTube doesn't push your videos because of your total views. It pushes your videos because of how long people watch. It's not the number of clicks that matter. It's what happens after the click. And this one rule, this hidden rule about watch time, decides who blows up and who stays invisible. I know that sounds dramatic, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how YouTube decides what to recommend, why some videos take off even with 300 views, and how you can train the algorithm to finally push your content no matter how small your channel is. This is the rule YouTube doesn't talk about, but every successful creator quietly understands. Let's get this straight. Views don't equal growth. You can have 10,000 views and zero momentum, or 300 views that trigger the algorithm and change everything. Because YouTube doesn't care how many people click your video, it cares how long they stay. Think of YouTube like Netflix. It doesn't recommend shows people click on and leave. It recommends the ones people actually binge watch. So if your average viewer watches your 8-minute video for 6 minutes, that's 75% retention. YouTube loves that. It sees your content as sticky, and sticky content equals to valuable content. That's the hidden rule. YouTube is not trying to make your video viral. It's trying to make people stay longer on YouTube itself. If your video helps them do that, then you win. It's all about the retention rate, how long people stay on your channel watching your video, how quick they click out, or how long they stay if they watch the video till the end, if they like the video, if they engage with the video, if they shared the video. When people say watch time, what they really mean is average view duration. And this one number secretly controls your entire channel. If you post a 10-minute video and the average viewer watches 2 minutes, that's an average view duration of 20%, which is not great. But if another creator posts a 5-minute video and people watch 4 minutes, that's an average view duration of 80%, and that's algorithm gold. Because YouTube compares you to yourself, not to Mr. Beast, not to any other channel, just you. So when your average view duration improves, even slightly, YouTube starts testing your next video with more people. And when it notices viewers staying longer than usual, it says, okay, people love this creator's content. Let's show it to more users. That's literally how channels blow up overnight. It's not luck, it's retention. Here's what YouTube actually does behind the scene. When you upload a new video, it doesn't blast it to everyone. It quietly tests it with a small group, maybe 50 or 100 people. If those people click and stay, then YouTube expands that test. Now it shows your video to 1,000 people. If those 1,000 people watch most of it too, it expands again. It shows your video to 10,000 people. It shows your video to 100,000 people, just like that. But if people click off early, YouTube stops testing. That's why your views can flatline. Not because your video is bad, but because your watch time dropped. So when a creator says, my videos don't get pushed anymore, what's really happening is the algorithm saw people clicking off too soon and decided not to risk showing it to more viewers. That's how powerful watch time is. It's literally the difference between being promoted or being paused. Now let's talk psychology, because keeping someone watching isn't luck, it's design. You have to treat your viewers' attention like oxygen. Every 10 seconds, you have to give them a reason to breathe again. That's why top creators do things like ask open-ended questions mid-video, like, but what happens if stuff like that? Add small visual changes every few seconds. Use mini hook before every new point, and promise a result that only gets revealed later. Every little thing keeps the brain engaged. If the viewer's mind starts wandering, they click away. If they keep anticipating what's next, your watch time skyrockets. You're not just teaching, you're entertaining the mind's curiosity loop. And that loop is what YouTube tracks as engagement. Here's the part almost no one talks about. Watch time compounds. If one viewer watches 3 of your videos back to back, that's not just good for those videos. It tells YouTube this creator keeps people on the platform for a long session. That's called session watch time. And it's even more powerful than individual video retention. It means your content makes people stay on YouTube longer. So YouTube starts recommending all your videos more often. That's why bingeable content is gold. Educational channels that connect their videos like episodes, they always dominate. Like when a video has series or it has episode, like watch out next week, come back next week for episode 2, or the next episode is going to be out on Tuesday, stuff like that. Something people can actually binge watch. So don't just post random uploads. You can create a series. So when one video ends, the next feels like the natural next step. YouTube rewards that flow. So now I'm going to tell you how to boost your watch time fast. A quick watch time optimization checklist. 1. You have to cut the first 10 seconds of every video. Viewers decide fast. Start strong or they are gone. Use the mini hook method. Every 30 seconds, reset attention, surprise, tease, or visually shift. Structure your video for curiosity, not completion. Start with a question or bold claim you'll solve at the end. It really helps. Next, don't fade out. End with forward momentum. Always end with a reason to click to your next video. And lastly, watch your own analytics. Go to audience retention, see where people drop off. You can re-edit or adjust the pacing next time. You're not guessing anymore. You're building data-driven retention. So that's the hidden rule YouTube doesn't tell you. It's not about how many people you reach. It's about how long they stay, because YouTube doesn't want viral moments. It wants loyal attention. And once you start creating for retention instead of reaction, the algorithm will start working for you, not against you. So stop chasing clicks, start earning watch time, because the longer you hold attention, the faster you'll grow. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth secrets, and tell me in the comments, what's your average watch time right now? Let's make that number go up. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.